snowballed the shit out of him there, so. Don't tell me the medical boards. I need money.
You understand course fire?
Yes.
Right. Loud.
Oh, here goes a lot of editing in the footage.
Huh?
Here goes some editing in the footage now. Cut this all out.
There's usually lots of nice rifles, no bolt and gas guns, and then
I think they skipped us.
Yeah.
Because he shot and they went ahead and started shooting.
I like the noise.
I just hope I'm done before 1. Yeah, I know. As soon as I saw this stage, I was like, I remember shooting this back in November.
Good, stand by. Shooter understand course fire?
Yes.
Stand by. Unload show clear. Holster up. 789 is your raw score. Where do you want to go next? Let's go.
Looks good.
Step up to the box. Go ahead and load and make ready. Understand course fire?
Yep.
All right, shooter, stand by. Load show clear. 1279 was your raw score in that one. All right, let's move over to the next box once you holstered up. With the box, load and make ready. All right, shooter understand course fire.
Yes.
Shooter stand by. You can keep going if you want. I'll make sure clear. 1457, holster up. All right, let's go back to your